This is life on a towboat. See, we're chilling. Show y'all around this old boat. Not a bad boat. There's a galley, stove, sink, coffee pot. Got to have that coffee. Look at this. Got some popsicles up in there, french fries, tater tots. Some people think we eat so good, but anything you can get in the store, that's pretty much what we eat. My boy doing his clean up right there. Never seen that on a boat, but gotta have them little vacuums. To-do list. To-do list. For y'all young guys wondering what it's like out here, gives you an idea. Washer, dryer, it's kind of supply area. You got gloves and stuff, batteries, a couple tools, Coke pantry, another little supply pantry. Cleaning supplies, more cleaning supplies. Take a little walk in the engine room, might be a little loud. Got a generator going. The main engines down there. This is a 2,000 horsepower boat. Panel, electrical panel, alarm panel. They got a lot more down there. The engine room I'll show y'all in a little bit. Let's go take a walk up to the wheelhouse. Right now we are on the second deck. There's a bathroom. Bathroom, toilet, shower. This is kind of exercise room, kind of a sort of, not much equipment, but we do a little working out. All right, going up to the third deck. I'll show y'all my room. My room's a little messy, but not bad. It's another bathroom. This is my bathroom. I got my own bathroom. I'm a pilot on here. I gotta kind of be quiet because they got guys sleeping. All right, going up to the wheelhouse. This is my office. Whenever I'm working, there's a toilet, sink, and this is the company computer for our emails and orders. This is the radar, one of them. This is AIS, marine radio, swing meter. Another radar. This is Rose Point. That right there is Rose Point. Lets us know where the other boats are and traffic in the area. And copy machine. Small refrigerator. Go outside the boat. There's another boat right there. And this is these two barges in front of us right now. This is the barges that we push. This is our barges. And a couple more boats out here. If any of y'all looking to get into the get into the marine industry, everybody is hiring right now. A lot of companies is hiring. Subscribe and I'll tell you, and I'll shoot a list down the bottom of the page. I'm kind of new at this YouTube, so why don't y'all give me some views and give me some likes, and let me know what kind of stuff you're interested in, and I will post some more videos to with information or whatever, and then we can see what y'all interested in seeing. I post a lot of fishing stuff, a lot of hunting stuff when I'm home, working, whatever. Just let me know, like my stuff, and then we appreciate the views. Thank you.